What is a Navi? One would think that a Navi is just to portray a prophecy, because Nevuah means prophecy. However, maybe we can say something else about a Navi. Navi comes from the word Neve, or saying. So, what a Navi actually is supposed to do is to portray God's message to man, or in other words, to be the spokesperson of God to man, to be God's spokesperson. We see this, one of the first Nevi'im in the Torah, Moshe Rabbeinu, that God tells him to speak to Paro and tell Paro everything that I tell you. That is really the role of a Navi, to give over God's message to man. And we see this later when Hashem actually asks Moshe for Aharon to be his Navi, for Aaron to give over the words of Moshe to the entire people.